Festival of the Year wrapping up with historic performances from some of the music industry's best artists. And while performers like Beyonce had unforgettable moments on stage, we also can't get enough of the wild fashion seen throughout the festival. Let's check in with fashion and beauty expert Cheryl Kramer Kaye for more. Cheryl, it looks like a dose of denim is always on trend. Who's rocking it at Coachella?
We saw so many stars wearing denim, but the pieces themselves were each so small that if you put them all together, they might equal one outfit. We saw headliner Beyonce and Olivia Culpo in itty-bitty shorts, and Alessandra Ambrosio and Chanel Iman in super shrunken jackets. Outside the festival circuit, pair those downsized denim pieces with more flowy pieces for better balance.
Yeah, and a hot 80s trend has been making a comeback at the festival. Who was spotted sporting a crop top?
Yes, Sonia, as the music played, the abs were displayed. We spotted Hailey Baldwin, Shay Mitchell, and Gigi Hadid wearing, well, basically bras. For those of us who are a little bit more modest, those tiny tops look great under a jacket or with a maxi skirt.
Okay, so we have crop tops and denim shorts. What else was a go-to option at Coachella?
A white dress looks ethereal and keeps you cool in the sizzling desert heat. Emily Ratajkowski with Elsa Hawk, Nicole Richie, and Paris Hilton all managed to make the pure white dresses somehow look sexy. The rules about wearing white before Memorial Day do not apply anymore.
All right, thank you, Cheryl. And for more fashion and beauty trends, check out @CKramerK on Instagram.